Good morning, it's Vanessa and Craig from Apple Patch Quilting and Craft, and I've just gotten back yesterday from Craft Alive down in Hobart. It was heaps of fun. So I thought I'd show you some of the new projects that we've got available for you and some show specials that I had at Craft Alive that I'm going to continue for the next 10 days or until stocks run out up here at the shop. So, the quilt I'm showing you at the moment is a new one called Nooks and Crosses. Uses batik fabrics, so we've got it available as a kit, and it looks just fabulous. Would be great, I think, for a teenager. We've also got a second quilt called Zigzag, and you can see it folded up there. So we've got, as a shop sample, we've got the two quilts back to back, but they are two separate quilts. So these are using a new line of batik fabric from Batik Australia called Nooks and Crosses. And, whoops, there are the kits. So the Nooks and Crosses kit is $149, and the Zigzag quilt, which is a big quilt, is $180. Again, beautiful, bright, would work fabulously for any adult who likes bright fabrics, but also as really fun kids quilts. Now, the next thing I want to show you, and you may have seen this hanging up if you saw my posts from Craft Alive, is a fabulous turtle quilt. How cool is that? So we've got 5 turtles in different batiks, and you've got the option of either the black background or, I'm just going to swing around, hopefully not too fast so I don't give you vertigo, or you can have this beautiful stripy background in the blues or the stripy background in the aquas. So they kind of look like water, and we've got different border fabrics coordinated to go with each of these. So I'm just going to wander into where I've got the specials from the quilt show and take you through them. Okay, so the first is this gorgeous layer cake with all fun kitties prints, animals, and we've got that on special for $65. So normally that one was $80. From the same collection, I've got only 2 bundles left. It's a fat quarter bundle with a panel, so be able to make up a really cute kids quilt. And that's normally $110. It's on special for $90. There's only 2 of those left. From French General, I've got 3 layer cakes left. From Bonheur de Jeu, down to $65. And hiding in the back of this cabinet, I've got 2 10-inch square packs left of beautiful Australiana batiks, down to $45. That is an amazing buy. Now I'm just going to squat down. I've also got some charm squares, so 5-inch squares of Mary Ann's Gift by Betsy Chuchian. Normally $24, down to $20, so beautiful reproductions. And 3 layer cakes left. Again, they will be $65. Normally they're about $82. 2 left of Shaggy Quilts. So these are the pre-snipped flannel quilts with the wadding already in the packaging. So they were normally $120 and they are down to $100. So if you're looking to make a kid's quilt really quick, they're about the quickest quilt you can make. Oops, put them back in the box. I'm also down here. I've got only 2 left of Kathy Smith's layer cakes at $65. Beautiful neutral tones. Coming back up the cabinet, I have got 2 kits left of Sanctuary by Moga, and I might just get Craig to lift out the box if he could, just to show you the fabrics. So they are gorgeous pastel soft colours, and that's the quilt that the kit makes. Now they are normally, or they were, $286 on special for $250. There's only 2 of those left. Now going back up the row, I've got 1 layer cake left for $65 of Rose by Jo Morton, and charm squares for $20 each. 1 10-inch square pack of Blue Goose left, and 2 of Sunday Stroll. And you can see that I've got some 5-inch squares of Blue Goose and some gorgeous little 2.5-inch squares of Promenade for $10 each. Okay. 1 bundle left, Promenade by Three Sisters. It was $299 down to $269. Gorgeous fat quarter bundle. 1 left of Painted Patchwork. It's a 2.5-inch strip roll. Down to $58. Hiding in the back. 1 left. So this is a strip, 2.5-inch strip pack with a panel of flannel. And it is elephants on special for $77. Oops, hopefully I'm not giving anyone vertigo as I'm moving my little phone around. I've got more flannel strip packs and flannel bundles, all discounted down. I've got some jelly rolls and 1/8 bundles of French General. Again, got those discounted down. And you can see in this cube also some 5-inch squares of Morris, Best of Morris, Maria's Sky by Bexy Chuchian, and you can see hiding in the back there some fat 1/8 bundles of Maria's Sky, some jelly rolls, and some more charm squares of Ladybird. Now we're nearly finished. I've got, if you try not to make you all sick again. See all these packets there? These make a gorgeous table runner, a fake Bargello table runner, and that's it hanging there, and that's only half of it, so it's doubled over. So because it's a Bargello stripe batik, it's really quick to make up a Bargello style table runner, and I've got all these different colour combos, pretty much every colour under the sun. Right, that must be getting close. Oh, the last thing, most importantly, we have got jelly roll packs from Batik Australia, down to $45. This one is called Nooks and Crosses, so it's the same fabric collection that we've got here on the table. So all these gorgeous colours, and the same fabrics you saw in the Nooks and Crosses and zigzag quilt that I started with. So we've got Nooks and Crosses. We have got one called Floral Candy, which is all gorgeous brights. We have got one called Country Florals, which are beautiful soft pastels and have Australian flora on some of the fabrics. And the blues. Love the blues. And Craig's handing me the last one, which is half blue, half naturals. Gorgeous. And lucky last, I'm just going to duck over to where Craig is I've got 5-inch squares of, this one's called Fairy Floss. So these are pastels. Now these are actually all the same, we've just changed the front covers. So they are gorgeous. And the Nooks and Crosses. So these ones are a super special. $14 each. Normally $19. So it's $5 off each of those. Now this is while stocks last. And in fact not like some numbers are limited. And Craig is also just reminding me that we've also got show specials on for sewing machines from Pfaff and Handy Quilter. So a lot of the Pfaff sewing machines are coming with a bonus extension table. And the Handy Quilter, you're getting either a extra discount or you can get a bonus ruler quilting pack with those. Now, they are only on special for a very short period of time. So if you're thinking about a sewing machine or if you're thinking about a long arm, now is the time while the show specials are still on. Okay, we've got our shop almost back together from where I went down to the craft show. So there's the small kits and there's the light turtle kits. And it's great to be back in the shop again. So hello to anyone who may have called into the stall down at Hobart. Great to meet so many new people. And hopefully at some time you get to visit the shop. Okay then, bye. Oh.